channel. What factors can affect your immigration visa decision waiting times? What factors can affect your immigration decision waiting times? This video is just to tell you the systematic approach Home Office use in determining or how long your application will take before getting a decision. What factor? The topic is titled "What factors can affect your UK decision waiting time, immigration visa waiting time?" What you should know is the UK immigration visa establishment has a customer charter. That is, they have a charter, they have guidelines on the waiting times of application. So you should read their charter. If I were you, I would just read the charter. Basically, the summary of the UK immigration charter is that certain applications should take certain times. Example of those is that if your application is straightforward, that is, you supply all the documents needed and all the documents are genuine, your application should take certain time. For example, if you apply for non-settlement visa application that you submitted outside the UK, 90% will be decided in 3 weeks. But if you submitted within the UK, 98% of it will be decided in 6 weeks. I repeat, if you submit a visa application outside the UK, 90% of those applications are decided. They will give you a decision within 3 weeks. If you submit an application in the UK, 98% of it are decided within 6 weeks. If it's that is non-settlement visa applications. But if it's settlement visa application submitted outside the UK, 98% of it will be decided within 12 weeks. 98% of settlement applications submitted at British High Commissions all over the world, whether in Angola or in Morocco, or you submit it in Brazil, the visa will be decided within 6 weeks. But if it's within the UK, 100% of applications that are submitted for settlement, remember I'm talking about settlement, it is decided within 24 weeks. Application for leave to remain submitted within the UK, including spouse, workers, and student visas, are decided within 8 weeks. Application for indefinite leave to remain, ILR, and many of us know the meaning of ILR. It simply means indefinite leave to remain. Submitted within UK, it will be decided within 6 months. Application for no time limit, NTL, no time limit. NTL means no time limit. It will be decided within 6 months. Organization seeking a sponsor worker, it will be decided, the application will be decided within 8 weeks. 8 weeks. Remember, these are for applications submitted with no problem with the all the documents, no further request for evidence, all the documents are complete. And there is no inquiry about the document. That is, all the documents are genuine. It will be decided in those times. So what factors, let's join and I'll conclude this video. What factors can affect your UK visa processing and decision waiting time? That is, if there is a problem, or how long will it take? You know, there are a number of factors that can delay your visa application and decision waiting time. Listen carefully to this. These are the factors, so take note when submitting an application. Better still, come and see us. My telephone number is displayed on the screen. We can represent you on any immigration matter, whether from application to appeal. So what are the factors that can delay your visa processing decision waiting time? Number one, it is dependent on the complexity of the case. For example, if it involves assessment of Article 8, if you are applying under human right or derivative right of EEA extended family member, then it can delay it, because human right applications are very complex. You need to take note, so it won't follow the time the UK Immigration Charter stipulate that they should complete your application. Another factor that can affect your application is if there are concerns regarding suitability requirement. That is, you've got a criminal record. Take note, don't drink, drive, don't let them take you to court for any debt. Cut your coat according to your size. Make sure you spend within your limit, so it can delay your application. If you have criminal record and you want to apply for any immigration visa or application, especially for naturalization, come and see me. My telephone number is on display. If another factor that can delay your application is if there is any concern regarding the authenticity of any documents that you submit. You must make sure that all your documents are correct, complete, and are original, so that you can marshal your arguments with the Home Office correctly. We can represent you if there's any problem, any clumsies, or any query about your application. Come and see us. Our numbers are displayed. Another factor that can delay your application is if the volume of documents are too much. If you submit a voluminous documentation accompany your application, so keep it simple. It can delay your application. If there are another factors, is there further investigation required? For example, there is an interview. They need to interview you before you make an application. Come and see us. And also another factor is dependent on the workload of the caseworker handling your case. So if you are lucky to have a caseworker that has just been employed with no casework, they can decide your application fairly quickly. Another factors you may not believe is the time of the year that you make your application. For example, if you submit your application during the festive period, Christmas period, New Year period, you and I know that any establishment, all the workers go on long vacation. Those are the factors that can affect your the time they will issue your application. So there is no public service standard for UK visa processing and decision waiting times for more complex application. That is, if your application is more complex. Even if it's complex, come and see me. I'm an immigration barrister. Come and see me. I'm an immigration lawyer. To put it simple, we can represent you from cradle to to appeal. Come and see me. My telephone number is displayed on the screen. My name is Paul Bello. Thank you. I hope to see you. Book an appointment, and you may need to pay a consultation fee. It is non-negotiable. I hope to see you in my office, or we can serve you through online emails and via Zoom or Google Meet. You submit your application to us through email. We'll deal with you over the telephone. That is, if you're living outside London, in Birmingham, Manchester, Aylesbury, or you're living in Inverness. I hope to see you.